what happened in Act 1? Act 1, the husband, probably if you had a camera, we'd be with the husband. He's coming home. I love my wife. I'm feeling a little frisky. Maybe I'll come home a little bit early today, which is a mistake. We should not do that. Okay? It's a lesson. If you learn nothing else. What did we learn at Seek? We learned don't go home early if you're married to a French lady. So he's dressed. He comes home. You see the wife. She's naked in bed. Now, it's like, how do I know who's married? You know, we write all this stuff in our head if the story's done well. And so he came home. He's like, oh, my God, my husband's here. He doesn't have time to put his clothes on, leave. He jumps in the closet. The husband comes in, sees his wife, and she's like, look. And so he goes, what's wrong? And he walks over. He opens the closet. He finds a practically naked guy in the closet who happens to be a screenwriter. So he spins a narrative that is so compelling that the husband buys it, we're supposed to believe.
The preceding clip was from Screenwriting for Physicians by Seek Inc. Seek specializes in helping physicians find and locate non-clinical careers, and also in helping physicians learn how to supplement their income with lucrative home-based work. Ways to supplement your income include medical expert witnessing, disability and utilization reviews, independent medical examinations, writing, including screenwriting, inventing, consulting, and life care planning.